This is the brand new DJI O4 Air Unit Pro. It's DJI's next generation video transmission system to take your aerial creativity to new heights. This air unit provides excellent high definition video transmission from extended distances with low latency. And with upgraded video capabilities, you don't even need to attach an action camera to your drone anymore. With its dual antenna design, it offers an impressive maximum 15 milliseconds, 15-kilometer digital video transmission and supports 1080p 100 frames per second H.265 video transmission, which allows you to fly incredibly far distances in beautiful high resolution. The all-new racing mode offers the lowest latency ever, supporting up to 8 drones racing simultaneously. DJI took a massive leap forward with the camera, upgrading it to a 1 by 1.3 inch sensor, offering both 16 by 9 and 4 by 3 aspect ratios. You can now shoot up to 4K 120 frames per second, allowing you to get shots like this directly from the air unit. The new unit also supports D-Log-M, which gives you a ton of flexibility in post to color grade and adjust your footage exactly how you want it. The internal stabilization on O4 is the best that I've ever seen. You can get silky smooth stabilized videos like this directly from the camera. But if you prefer to stabilize in post, they allow open IMU data for even more flexibility. This new air unit installs the exact same way as the previous digital FPV system. So if you're upgrading, all you have to do is plug and play. The air unit itself is small and lightweight, allowing for flexible combinations in assembly. And if you crash, the camera module can be easily replaced. Along with O4 Pro, DJI is also releasing the DJI O4 Air Unit. And even though it's small, it supports 4K 60 video, has 23 gigabytes of internal storage, has a 10-kilometer range, and supports racing mode. Both the O4 Air Unit Pro and the O4 Air Unit are compatible with a wide range of DJI products. The DJI O4 Air Unit is by far the best FPV flying experience on the market. Snag the O4 Air Unit Pro for content creation and the O4 Air Unit for flying experience.